So I wanted to show you guys how the external pull mod works with our Winter Dream 2. We've got our optional panel pulls installed here, and we've installed the external pull mod. So this is a 54-inch long section of Easton aluminum pole, and we have a shock cord leash on both sides. The other side's hooked up. There's a toggle on the end here. That just goes through the D-ring on the panel pull and helps pull the tarp body open. If you notice, another good reason to run your contiguous ridge line over the tarp is you can run your poles over the tarp, and it allows for some more lift. Plus, it does not flatten out this seam. If that seam gets flattened out, 9 times out of 10 you're going to end up with a leak right there. So that seam really needs to stand vertical. But that's a nice feature for opening up the tarp both internally and externally to give you a little bit more internal volume.